No job, no wahala. Let me show you how you can make your first 100K by just sitting at home with just your smartphone, an internet connection, your time, and your brain. And no, I'm not about to tell you to start up a business or sell a course. These are practical things I did, and you can also start right now. Let's talk about it. Before I made my first 100K, I had to change one thing. What was that? My mindset. I stopped waiting for people to hire me. I started asking myself, what skills can I learn that people are willing to pay for? And no, you don't need to be an expert. You just need to be one step ahead of someone who needs help. No job doesn't mean no income. It means you now have the time to create value. And that's where the real money hides. Here are step-by-step plans that worked for me. First, you learn a marketable skill. You do not need to have a school certificate to do this. There are skills like digital marketing, voiceovers, social media management, writing, and so many of them. All you need to do is go learn these skills from YouTube, Coursera, and they are all free. You don't need to pay a dime to learn these skills. Learn skills for 1 or 2 weeks or even a month, and that's it. Now, the next thing you do is building a portfolio. This is where a lot of people get stuck. After learning a skill, don't wait for clients to find you. Show what you can do. Show the skills that you've learned. Put them all in a portfolio, and you can do this by using Google Docs, Canva, Notion, and even Junior Portfolio, which is a beginner-friendly tool to create clean, simple, and professional looking portfolios, and also show up consistently. Now, your portfolio includes a short bio with 2 to 3 samples. You don't actually need to have gotten a job before creating these samples. Add basic contact info like your social media platforms, your Gmail, and all of that, your name, how clients can actually reach you, and all. And don't worry if you haven't worked with anyone. You can create fake projects. Yes, you can create fake projects or redo an already existing project, okay, and just paste it as your own. All the client wants is to see a professional work that yes, you can actually deliver. If you're good at editing, and let's say video editing, you can actually come up with creative things and edit them and just put into your portfolio. Okay, you don't need to be employed before or have an experience. All right, just create something you know you can do very well, add it into your portfolio, and that's it. If you're a writer, come up with good topics that you know people will be interested in. Write it very well and just put it there in your portfolio. The next thing you need to do is register on platforms. We have Fiverr, we have Upwork, Facebook, and even LinkedIn. Set up a basic profile, add your portfolio link, and show up consistently. The next thing you have to do is to start pitching for clients. Yes, you start looking for jobs. How do you search for this job? Is to send 3 to 5 messages every day. Go to these brands, go to these companies, look for their websites, start pitching for jobs. Ask them if they need your services. If you're a social media manager, go to content creators, go to Instagram vendors, ask them if they need your services. That is how to pitch. You don't sit down and expect these clients to come to you. You go and look for these clients yourself. If you're a video editor, you could say something like, "Hi, I noticed your page could use some video editing. I'm a video editor and I'd love to offer 1 to 3 free samples so you can see what I can do." It's okay to create free samples for your clients for the first time. If you're a beginner, it's okay. You can create 1 or 2 samples so they can just see what you're capable of doing. And when they see these samples, it's something that meets the eye. You will get employed. They will employ you and even recommend you to other people also looking for such services. Those some will ignore you, but those who really need your services will employ you, trust me. Another thing I did was taking small gigs. Yes, I took small gigs. Yes. As a beginner, you don't have to say, maybe when they offer you 15K, 10K, you say it's too small. No, those things, I always thought of something. If I take these jobs, it will help me build up my portfolio. At least I have something doing. I would actually have something to say, yes, I worked with this brand. So taking small gigs is not a crime. Take small gigs, that 15K, 20K, 30K, it's little, but it adds up. Okay, don't reject small gigs. You keep showing up. Remember that your consistency is your currency. And these people, they always like people who are consistent. So when imagine somebody opens their page and they see you every day, they want to like try this person to see what this person has to offer. So keep being consistent, keep posting, keep pitching, and keep showing up. Let me talk about the tools I used that made my work easier. Now, I used Canva mostly for basic design, for my visual samples, and also Grammarly. I use Grammarly to make sure my writing was clean. Like it detects errors and tells you this one is wrong, you correct, and all of that. The next app I used was ChatGPT. Okay, I use ChatGPT for brainstorming and also to create ideas. I also use Google Docs to build and share my portfolios, and also CapCut for basic edit. These apps I mentioned are all free. They all have free versions that you can use without paying a dime. Use what you have. Don't wait till everything is perfect. You can build from zero just by learning something useful, showing it up with your portfolio, and reaching out to clients by pitching for jobs. That 10K here, 15K there, 20K here. and boom, you're earning 100k, 200k, and even more. Please, once that 100k lands into your account, don't use and begin flex for your ex or even dash your village people. Use it to get data, pitch for more jobs, and maybe spoil yourself with a soft drink and one meat pie, and come back here and tell me, Faith, I tried it though, and it worked. Please like, share, and subscribe for more YouTube growth and financial tips. My name is Faith Oko, and I'll see you in my next one.